Hey guys, welcome back to the RC Breed channel. Today we're going to do a cleaning of the FlexSeries Shaver by Freebird.com. So these are some cleaning tips that helps your shaver stay in tip-top shape. So let's get started. So it's a quick and easy tutorial on how to clean the FlexSeries Shaver by Freebird so you can get a closer shave and a clean shave every time. So first off, you want to make sure the shaver is unplugged and also for safety. So we're going to remove the shaving head and press down and twist. Okay, now we have the shaving head here. So now you have to remember that a clean shaving head means that you get a clean shave. So basically what I'm going to do is open up the shaving heads here. You can see the hair inside, okay? So now you need to grab your brush. Actually, I'll remove the centerpiece here by turning, and it pops right out. There you go. Okay, so take your brush that came with your shaver. And if you can't find your brush, you can use any small one that will do. So brush away any pesky hairs that you have there. You can just use that. See how easy that is there? Comes out nice and easy. The centerpiece. You're just basically loosening all the hair. Your brush, okay. See how easy that comes out? Like I said, now we're not done yet, so clean the blades between the blades here. Nice and easy. So then after this, we're going to run this under some warm water to get all the excess hairs that didn't come out with the brush. So it's another way to do this here. So like I said, if you don't have the brush that came with it, misplaced it, you're going to use another small brush that works. Okay, now, once you get all the hairs out that you can, turn on the water, some warm water. I'm going to actually run it underneath. Okay. I'm rinsing out all the excess hairs we have here. Also the centerpiece. And go back and clean that one out. And if you look, you can see clearly all the hairs removed. Okay, nice and easy. So let me get the centerpiece here. Clean it out. A little brushing gently around. See how easy that comes out? Like I said, if you have coarse hair, you might have to do this 2 times, but most of the time, my hair is short. I never have a problem moving any of the hair. And if you look closely, you can see the hair is gone. Okay. That's pretty much it. Just stay tuned to the channel for more tips and tricks. Have any questions, leave them in the comments. And if you need to see anything specific, I'll definitely try to do that. So thanks, like and subscribe to the channel. That helps me bring you more quality content. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate you.